Hello friends, so let's discuss a cardiomegaly case. Just patient 59-year-old patient था. He presented here with the history of or with a complaint of coughing and all. Okay, and patient को type 2 diabetes mellitus था and there is no cardiac history. So you can see here, just we have taken this X-ray of the patient and there is a gross, you can say enlargement of the left ventricle. You can see here, you can prominently you can see here. This is nothing but a case of cardiomegaly. Okay. So this is the cardiothoracic ratio is also 1:1. It should be less than 2:1. Okay, it should be 1:2. Okay, that means कि जो thoracic ratio है वो हाफ होता है, वो kind of cardiac जो ratio होता है वो अल्टीमेटली वो हाफ होता है thoracic this measurement से. Okay, this is a thoracic and this is a cardiac, but it is looking right now it is a 1:1. Okay, it should be less than it should be half. Okay, तो पेशेंट को कोई भी कार्डियक कंप्लेंट नहीं था एंड दैट्स वाई वी हैव डन अ काइंड ऑफ 2D को ऑल्सो. यू कैन सी हियर पल्मोनरी कंजेशन है बट देर इज हेमीडायफ्रागम इज नॉर्मल. ओके, हेमीडायफ्रागम इज टोटली नॉर्मल. देर इज अ ग्रॉस एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल एंड दैट्स वाई इट इज अ कार्डियोमेगेली केस. ओके, तो पेशेंट का हमने अल्टीमेटली पेशेंट का हमने 2D को भी किया. 2D को अल्टीमेटली सजेस्टिव ऑफ kind of you can say proper ejection fraction. There is no kind of left ventricular ejection fraction is also that much 60%, and left ventricular, right ventricular, both ventricles are working in well manner. So ultimately it is a suggestive of hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, and that's why further investigation we needed like a cardiac MRI. Okay, so we have done this chest X-ray, we have done kind of 2D echo, and now we are switching with the cardiac MRI with the patient. Okay, सो अल्टीमेटली एक्सरे में कार्डियोमेगेली दिखाया, हमने 2D को किया. 2D को में इजेक्शन फ्रैक्शन नॉर्मल है एंड दैट इज सजेस्टिव ऑफ हाइपरट्रोफिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव काइंड ऑफ कार्डियोमायोपैथी. एंड फर्दर जो हमारा प्लान ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा दैट इज नथिंग बट आवर कार्डियक MRI. ओके, so that is all about for our this is nothing but chest X-ray which is suggestive of cardiomegaly, which is suggestive of a kind of obstructive cardiomegaly. Okay, with a kind of pulmonary congestion. Both hemidiaphragm are normal. There are some mild infection in the chest and that's why patient has the continuous coughing and all, but there is no pleural effusion, there is no consolidation at all. Okay, and both these bones, chest, sternum, both are, everything is normal in the range. Okay, there is no fracture seen. You can see here the trachea. Okay, the trachea, the air, the black one is nothing but our trachea. Okay, and the ultimately hilar portion means where the bifurcation of the trachea is seen, that is the hilar portion. There is also mild you can say congestion are noted. Okay, so that is all about for this kind of chest X-ray.